Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about a Chanel Deauville Tote, the new size small. I'll talk about unboxing, what fit, why I purchased it, and outfit ideas. Let's start with unboxing. So the one I bought is the one on the top, which is a 3800 one, whereas the 3700 one is a bit smaller. So let's unbox it. Ta-da! I'm so surprised the SA put this bag in such a small box. So I was like, wow, this is such a small box for this big bag, but yeah, it fits. So let's see what's inside the bag. So there's a shoulder strap made of the golden chain in champagne gold color. It's made of mixed fabric. It's not really tweed, but it's definitely lighter than tweed. Then there's a pendant of the zip pockets. Also, there's a detachable pouch. The lining inside of the pouch and also the bag is the same. You can detach it. It's so cool. There's CC logo for each part of the metal hardware. There's two inner pockets as well. The handle is made of leather, and there's also CC logo around the handle opening. And you can shorten the chain just like this. This is the logo, which is much more subtle because the logo is also in black color, but in a different texture. So let's see what fits. I have my MacBook Air, I have my umbrella, my water bottle, my cosmetic pouch, hand cream, tissue, AirPods, card holder and wallet, as well as my gym shoes. Let's see if I can put every single thing inside the Deauville tote bag. First, let's start with the little pouch. I can put my hand cream, the tissue, AirPods, and let's try my card holder. This is a large size Chanel Classic card holder, not the regular size, so it's a bit taller. So I have to say I can't really put it inside with everything, but if I remove my hand cream, I can fit. Oh, not really. The AirPods can't fit. Alright, just my tissue and the large card holder. Alright, then I have my hand cream and my AirPods in the bigger compartment of the bag. My cosmetic pouch. My small water bottle. My umbrella. My gym shoes. This is not a very bulky shoes. This is a pair of training shoes from APL, so it's super soft. Alright, last but not least, let's see if we can fit my 13-inch Apple MacBook Air. Yes, this is just right. Seriously. This $3,800 Deauville Tote version fit the MacBook Air just right. I could pretty much fit every single thing inside. I have my gym, I have my work essentials, I have my cosmetics, I have my wallet, I have my AirPods and everything. This is amazing. I can fit everything effortlessly. Thirdly, let's talk about why I purchased it. Now I want to talk a bit about my decision to buying this Chanel Deauville tote bag. I have a few reasons why I consider this bag. Number one, I have my Chanel 22 bag that I purchased in March this year, a few months ago, and I must say I really enjoy it. In fact, I have a detailed review video on the 22 bag. If you are interested, please feel free to watch it later. The reason why I need an outer tote bag even after I purchased my 22 bag is because the 22 bag it's more of a lazy vibe, whereas the Devote bag it's more of a classic and feminine vibe because of the chain strap here and because of the top handle. Also, I don't really like the old version of Devote bag in small size because that one has no top handle, whereas for this new 2022 version of the small size tote bag, there's a top handle here. So I can use it both the top handle and also the shoulder strap. So the number two reasons being, I find it quite versatile because I can carry both top handle and also using the shoulder strap. So that's my second reason why I want to buy this bag. The third reason is that my Chanel 22 bag is too slouchy. It's more of a lazy vibe, whereas this tote bag is more structured. You can see that it's way more structured, and therefore when I put my laptop, I feel like this is more stable, and I feel like this structure of a more rectangular shape compared to my 22 bag, which is more of a slouchy shape, this shape holds my laptop better and I can find my laptop easily. Whereas if I put my laptop in my Chanel 22 bag, my 22 bag just become shapeless. Basically, it just become a flat piece of leather. My fourth reason is that traditionally, I don't really like the Devote Tote because of the huge contrast between the logo and the fabric. So if you recall, the previous version of the Devote Tote in the typical color, like even pink, beige, or denim, you can see the Chanel logo really stands out, and I feel like this is too flashy. I don't really like big logo. However, I come across this black version of the Chanel Deauville Tote bag from Hello Catwalk City, which is a fellow YouTuber, and I really like her videos. And after I find out there's actually a black version of this, and I feel like this is way more subtle. You can tell the logo here, it is still big, but it's way more subtle. So that's why I love it so much, because it's much more understated and the fabric is super light as well. And these are the four reasons that I make my decision to purchase this bag. It took me a very long time to look for this bag. I asked my SA from multiple boutiques in my city and they say it's out of stock. And then one day I went to the Chanel boutique nearby where I work and I trying to try my luck. And then I asked randomly, oh, do you have this bag in this size? And they have it. They have one in display, and this is the last new one in the inventory. So this is a new one. This is not the one in display. Which means this is the last one available in my city in this exact same size and this exact same color, black, that I want. So I feel so lucky that I got this. I couldn't believe I got this. So I'm very, very, very happy. This is the one that cost $3,800 US, which is a tad bigger than the $3,700 US one. If you want to know more about the size and also the price, I highly recommend you to watch the video from Hello Catwalk City. She has a detailed review and a detailed information on the sizes and the prices. I have to say, because this is a $3,800 one, this actually better in terms of holding your laptop than the $3,700 ones. Because for the $3,700 one, you can still hold your 13-inch MacBook Pro. However, you can't hold it just flat like this. You would have to put it in a diagonal sort of way. You know what I mean? Whereas for this 3,800 one, you can just put your laptop straight, which is super easy. So I love, love, love this bag. Now I want to share 4 different outfit ideas for you. For my first outfit, I am wearing my Chanel vintage jacket with my flared denim jeans and my sandals. So this is a very casual, chic look that can be for use every day, for work, and also over the weekend. I also like this look when you go to dinner. It's also appropriate when you go to brunch or when you go shopping. I really love this outfit with my tote bag. And I think this tote bag just adds some kind of classiness and chicness to this outfit. What do you think? Do you like this outfit? I just love the golden chain. It just adds some more of femininity to my otherwise plain outfit. So here's my second outfit. This is my Isabel Moran bohemian style dress, and I have my nude color sandals from By Far again. So this is a very casual outfit, and I think this is perfect for going to either shopping or weekend brunch, or for any casual summer days. This is a great outfit for this bag. And for example, when you want to carry some other things, when you want to go to coffee shop to read a book, and then you can carry this bag, and you can even bring your iPad or your MacBook if you want to work from the coffee shop. Alright, my third outfit is a classic outfit in all beige color. I have my Burberry trench coat and my beige denim jeans, and I have a white tank top and also the beige sandals from By Far again. So I would say this is a very classic work style outfit that you can also wear for the weekend or for more proper or classic occasions. What do you think? Do you like this outfit? Alright, here comes my last outfit. This is a Celine by Phoebe Philo dress. This is in olive green color, and I think the olive green color really goes well with the Chanel Deauville Tote in the black sort of mixed fabric. I don't know, for some reason I really think this goes well with it, because there's also gold chain here, so it's very nice when you pair this outfit with also golden jewelry, because the golden chain from the Chanel tote really stand out. So this is a more feminine outfit, but also using this toe will make it a bit more dressed down and not too over the top. So I really love this outfit a lot. What do you think? That's it for my video today. I really enjoyed this bag, and I hope you are feeling the same. If you're considering buying, please don't hesitate and contact your SA. That's it for my video for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.